In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use Intel's free suite of AI tools for Audacity. These tools include noise suppression, transcription, music generation, and music separation. First, make sure you have the latest version of Audacity. Then, download the OpenVino AI plugins. You can simply search for OpenVino AI on Google and then download it from the GitHub page. Once downloaded, run the installer and install the plugins in your Audacity folder. After that, open Audacity. Before you can use the plugins, you will need to enable them. You can do that by simply going to the Edit button on the top bar. Then, click on Preferences and head over to Modules. Here, enable Mod OpenVino and restart Audacity. Now, let's look at the transcription tool. Open a vocal recording and highlight the audio you want to transcribe. Go to Analyze and select OpenVino Whisper Transcription. Click Apply. It will generate a label track with the transcription, removing filler words. You can edit this and export it as a text file. Now, let's try the noise suppression tool. Highlight the noisy audio, go to Effect, then Noise Suppression, and click Apply. The AI will reduce the background noise. Finally, let's check out the music separation tool. Open a music track, highlight a section, and go to Effect, then Music Separation. Choose between separating into 4 stems, drums, bass, vocals, and other instruments, or just instrumental and vocals. Click Apply. It will create separate tracks for each element. These tools are powerful and free, though they may not be perfect for every type of audio. For musicians and podcasters, they offer a great starting point. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or want more details on these plugins, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.